Hi, this is Sean Pack. I am your instructor for CS103 courses. Okay, this is a model. So first of all, you need to log in to Moodle and then enter the enrollment key for this course. I will email you the enrollment key. So once you enter the enrollment key, then you can log into our course. And then for the next time, you don't have to enter the enrollment key. So only once, if you enter enrollment key only once, then it will be enough. So once you log into our Moodle and then log into our course, then you will see this screen. Okay, this is the introduction page. So from this introduction page, let me explain how our course is organized. Okay, first of all, this quick tour guide is the video that I'm recording. Okay, for the text information, okay, we have changed the text starting from fall 2020, and this is the textbook information. Okay, I strongly recommend to use an ebook because you can purchase ebook cheaper than the hard copy, and then you can access right away once you purchase the ebook. So this how it looks like. So okay, so I have an ebook here. So as you see this is the cover page. And then the table of content, TOC, looks like this. Technologies for success, Windows 2019. Actually, this should be Windows 20, right? Windows 10. Maybe they made a mistake on this title. Okay, so in this course, we will learn three topics: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and then Microsoft PowerPoint. We will now learn Microsoft Excel. This is more like a database. So if your major is computer related, then you can take another course, database course. So we will skip this access. So we will cover three major topics: Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Okay, for the Microsoft Office, do we have to use 2019? No, you don't have to use 2019. You can use 360 and 365, or you can use Office 2016. So 2016 will be enough. So there will be a little minor changes to this 2019, but if the instruction is a little bit different, then just ignore it. So we will actually cover three topics. All right, then for each topic, look at this. For each topic, there are different sections or modules or chapters, different chapters like this. So Word is composed of 10 chapters or sections, and Excel is composed of 12, but we will learn up to 9. Okay, chapter 9. For Word, we will learn everything up to chapter 10, and Excel we will learn up to chapter 9, and for PowerPoint we will learn all the chapters in this PowerPoint. Right, and then for each chapter, okay, let's click on each one chapter, for example. Okay, for this, each chapter is composed of some exercise, exercise, topic and exercise. But if you scroll down, there are two. Okay, if you scroll all the way down, then here, okay, there are three practices. So one is review assignment practice, and then case problem 1 and case problem 2 practices. So in this case, we'll get the homework will be these two. Okay, always for each section, the homework will be practice homework and case problem number 1. Okay, case problem number 2 is not a homework. So case problem number 1. So let me go to take another section. Let's say select Word. Let's say 4, chapter 4. Then if you scroll down, you see here's a practice, homework and case problem number 1. So always these two will be homework. So once you click this, just follow the instruction, and then you should create, or you should create a document, and then implement all these instructions. Even for the case problem, same thing. So and click on homework, click case problem number 1, and then this will, and then follow the instructions in this case problem 1 to do your homework. Okay, so this is the ebook, so I recommend to purchase an ebook. So you can go to NMC bookstore to purchase an ebook, or you can purchase on online. Right, and then okay, here is the grading system. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, let me scroll down this introduction page all the way down. Then here's the syllabus. So open the syllabus. So you should download it and then save it in your computer. So this one explains briefly about the course. So the grading system is this. Okay, the total points will be 1,000 points. And the homework is 400 points, test is 200 points, project is 300 points, and final exam is 100 points. Okay, for this, and then if your score is less than 700 points, so let's say your score is up to 699, then that is 69%, which is D, right? D. If your score is between 700 to 799, then C, you are between 80 to 89%, that's B, and 90 or more is your grade is A. There's no rounding up, so if you got 89.9, then this is not 90%, so your score will be, your grade will be B, not A. So I will not apply the round up. Okay, so let's scroll down a little bit, all the way down. Then here is the lecture schedule. The lecture schedule is this. Okay, there are 16 weeks, and the 17th week is the final exam week. So for each week, week 1, week 2, week 3, I posted the work you should, the activities or the work you have to complete for each week. So word 1, word 2, okay, 1 means chapter 1, chapter 2. There are 10 chapters in Word. And then we will cover 9 chapters in Excel, and then 6 chapters in PowerPoint. So each chapter, the homework is practice homework and case problem number 1 homework. Right? And then this column shows the due date for the homework. So each homework is due on Saturday. So if the activities or all the sections or the chapters in each week will be due on Saturday. And also the project, there are 3 projects, and each project is worth 100 points. And so since there are 3 projects, I just indicated the due date. So make sure to complete your project and then upload your project on the due date. So for each assignment, practice homework, case problem number 1 homework is 8 point each. 8 point each. So for each chapter, there are 2 assignments, and there are 16 points. Right? So this week, the first week, the Saturday of the first week, there are this many homework. So make sure to complete the homework so that you get the credit. If you miss the due date, then there will be no makeup at all, because this is the work you have to complete each week. So you have enough time to do your work. So the homework should be on Saturday, and no late work will be accepted. All right, and then for the project Excel, there will be a brief information about the project as well. And then for the PowerPoint project, is 100 points, and there is 20 extra points as well. 20 extra points. This means, I will explain this PowerPoint project later on. But basically, when you create, PowerPoint, each slide you must explain each slide. So record your voice for each slide, then you will get 20 extra points. Okay, so for each project, I will explain later, and I will email you. Okay, this is how you can. This is the lecture schedule and the homework due dates. How about the tests? So there will be tests for each Word, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So the test is worth 100 points. So test is like midterm. So Word test will be on September 26th, and then Excel test is November 7th, and then PowerPoint. Actually, the PowerPoint test will be the final exam. So the final exam is not comprehensive. It does not cover everything. It covers only the PowerPoint. Okay, so once we complete Word, we will have a test, and then you can just forget Word, and then focus on the next topic, which is Excel. So once we complete the Excel test, then forget it, then focus on PowerPoint, and so on. All right, and then there is an extra point as well. So in the first week, you have to do rule of three and acknowledgement of syllabus and release form. So these are in here on the main page, on the introduction page. Scroll down. Okay, by the way, this lecture schedule is same as the one in the syllabus. So the table in the syllabus, the table for this lecture schedule in the syllabus is same as this table. Okay, so here, so scroll it down. Here is the acknowledgement of syllabus. So just click this and then answer the questions. And then rule of three. This is really important. Rule of three is, okay. Wait a minute. Okay, sorry. The rule of, okay, you have to upload your rule of three, and then you can download the questions for this rule of three here. Where's the rule of three? Okay, in the resource part, you should have a rule of three. I think I removed it. I will post it, rule of three. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm sorry. I will post the questions for the rule of three. Okay, rule of three is this. What happens if you cannot access the internet because your power is out. So there's no power at home, then what do? You have to go to a place, right? Go to a place where you can access internet. So please, write 3 places where you can go to, the places where you can access the internet. And also, if your PC or laptop is not working, then you cannot do your homework. You cannot do any work, right? Then what would happen? So you have to find PC or laptop from your friends or families, and so on, right? So you have to figure it out. So there are 3 questions. So you have to write the answers, your comments, and then put those information in this rule of three category section. Okay, so upload your rule of three here, so that you get extra credit, 5-point extra credit. And then also the acknowledgement. So complete this acknowledgement, and then you get extra credit as well. Okay, so how do you upload your file? Okay, so here there are some categories: resources, categories, tests, and upload assignments. So click upload assignments. Then for Word chapter 1 and 2, so there are practice homework, case problem number 1 homework for each chapter 1 and chapter 2. So click this and then upload those homework here. Okay, it's really simple. So click the category, upload assignment category, and then upload your file in each field here. Okay, even the Microsoft Word, Office Word project, Excel homework, Excel project, PowerPoint homework, and PowerPoint presentation. The PowerPoint project, this one. Okay. How about the test? Okay, test. Test is in. It is held in. Is it Sunday? I'm sorry. I'm confused with other courses. The tests. The test is on. Okay. The test is on Saturday as well. Test is held on Saturday. So. Okay, you can take the test anytime on Saturday. Anytime on Saturday. It is 1 hour test with 1 attempt. And the test will be key term matching and multiple choice. There's no machine test. So key term matching, so definition of the definitions matching and multiple choices. And then also I will post examples of these questions for the key terms matching and multiple choices. So those questions are in the resources. So click the resources category, and okay, I attached some files. Here is the questions for word test. Okay, word tests. This is for the key terms and the multiple choices. So study these questions before you take the test, and then the answers for the questions is also here. The answers are in this file. So study before the test, and then you are ready for the test. All right, and then you can download the project informations, and then for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Okay, I will update this. If this may be changed, so I will announce it later. Okay, and then also this is really important. Student data files. Okay, this is a zip file, so download these student data files and then unzip the file. Then in order to do your homework, you have to sometimes the homework will require to open a file in these student data files. So as you see this, look at this. Open Excel 8.3 Excel sheet, Excel file. So this file is in the student data files folder. So make sure get this file from where? From the student data files. So download the student data files, and then unzip it. Then there will be a bunch of folders, Word folder, Excel, PowerPoint folders, and then for each Excel, for each topic, Word, Excel, there are also a lot of folders for each chapter, chapter 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this student data files is really required. It's really required, mandatory. And then when you do your work like this, okay, so if you see this, then there are when you do the contents of each chapter, have instructions, and each instruction you may have to open a file that is in student data files folder. Okay, so this is really important. And then the PowerPoint presentation, this is a PPT file for each chapter. So this PowerPoint presentation is provided by the publisher Cengage. So download this one, and then you can read and read this PowerPoint, so that this is summarized of each chapter in the textbook. So PowerPoint, this is really useful to understand the concepts in each chapter. Okay, and then also later on I may upload a link or YouTube video clip for your homework as well. So I will email you whenever I update this model and post useful informations. Okay, so please check your email. Always make sure to check your email. And when you have questions, okay, please call me. Okay, please call me or email me. My email address is in the syllabus. The okay, my email is this. I will send you an email so you will know what the email is. This is my email and my phone number. Okay, I don't have an office, so I don't go to the office, so you can call me or email me anytime. So you can arrange with me by an appointment. So it is better to email. Okay, send me an email so that I can, I always check the email. So if I don't get the phone call, then email me. All right, so our course is really simple, very simple. First, you need to purchase an ebook, and then read the contents. Okay, okay. So read the contents in each chapter, read it, and then do the homework, practice homework, and case problem number 1 homework. So in order to do this homework, you must know all these contents. So it may take time to do your homework if you don't know the contents. So it's your challenge, and it's fun. This class is fun. All right, and then for each chapter, you upload your file in this upload assignments category, and then when there is a test, click the tests category and take the test. And test is 1 hour test, anytime on Saturday. Okay, resources. Okay, I will update the resources whenever there is a necessary documents. All right, I think I explained enough. So please let me know and send me an email whenever you have questions. Thank you.